Florence Nightingale. I learnt about a famous lady. Her name was Florence Nightingale. I would like to share with you this very important tale. Florence was born in 1820 in Florence, Italy. She lived her life in England mostly. There is so much for us to learn and see. Florence was a nurse many, many years ago. The state of the hospitals were not like the ones that we now know. There was dirt and diseases and even rats too. Florence was the lady who knew just what to do. In the year 1856, there was the Crimean War. Florence changed the history of nursing, which will be remembered forevermore. Florence cared for soldiers that were really very ill. Some were injured, some were sick, and some suffering from the chills. Florence knew the importance of keeping everything so clean. She scrubbed the floors and corridors together with her team. Florence gave the soldiers healthy food to eat. Her team of wonderful nurses gave the patients clean bed sheets. Florence was so caring. She looked after them at night, called the lady with the lamp, making sure the soldiers were all right. She could be seen walking the corridors, watching the soldiers in their beds, making sure that all her patients were cared for well and fed. Florence returned to England to help her nurses train. Opening St. Thomas's Hospital in 1860, nursing was never the same again. Florence wrote books for her students so they could give the best care. Bringing her knowledge and inspiration, it was so important for her to share. Florence was awarded a special medal called the Order of the Merit. Today, the Florence Nightingale Award from this great lady we inherit. Every year on the 12th of May, International Nurses Day we celebrate, held on her birthday, a special day to commemorate. Florence changed so many things for the women of her day. The importance of education for all. Florence showed the world a brand new way. Florence saved so many lives with the work she chose to do. Her legacy continues as we share the story of her life so true. So that's my poem all about Florence Nightingale. I really hope you enjoyed it and I wish you all a wonderful night. Goodbye.